When your daughter doesn't quite understand her physical therapy.
I think it's working.
It's gonna come off your feet, smack you in the face.
Why are you blowing bubbles?
Because I'd rather do it here and not the tub.
And how would you blow bubbles in the tub?
Brady.
Only one way to do that.
No, you take a straw and you blow bubbles in the tub.
Yeah, that's what you meant.
Duh.
What do you think she meant?
And look,
Oh, look.
get in the car, we're going home.
Why?
Get home and go study your spelling words now.
I was.
Now.
Mom.
I need to quiz you. Tomorrow is your test, and if you fail it, you're in a lot of trouble.
Yes, ma'am.
Get in the car.
Can I come back?
After you study.
Okay.
Get
I,
in.
need, I have my bike and I have my shoes and I have my jacket.
Okay, ride home.
Hurry up.
Okay.
Do not put that on the Facebook.
Busted. Cold busted.
Rock, paper, scissors, go.
1, 2.
Oh my gosh, so sorry.
It's all good.
Great.
I have nothing else.
Jacob goes first.
No,
Yep.
she lost.
Oh, Paris goes first. Go ahead.
Okay. Okay, does everything look spelled right? Your first name and last name? Perfect. So this is just saline. It's gonna help loosen up anything that's down there. If you want to tilt your head back just a little bit, we'll do this side first. So just a little bit of saline. Okay, and then if you want to cover this nose, then blow super hard. Super hard. Keep blowing. Go one more time. Okay. Let's try that other side.
Are you guys doing your referral in here? No? Sorry.
You're good. So let's do this side. Okay, so same thing, cover that nose. Then blow. Keep blowing, blow hard. Super hard.
Sound like Darth Vader.
Okay, we're gonna keep trying this other side because we gotta get just a little bit more than that. A little bit more water. Okay, now cover that other nose. Tilt your head down. Blow. Blow, blow, blow. Keep going. Okay. Sorry. Okay, now let's try that other side one last time. Here's a tissue to wipe that part off.
Why'd rather get shot?
Just make sure you don't blow your nose. So this side, last time. Oh, sorry. So here, I'll cover it for you. Just head down, blow. Blow, blow, blow. One more time. Okay, I think that is all we're gonna get.
I'm crying.
I believe that is good enough. Okay.
Blowing
Jacob
into
has a
it.
freaking large booger. What the flick your problem?
Yeah, that was a big booger, Jacob. Okay, I honestly could not stop laughing. And did you see Jacob's hair flapping?
I was like,
Yeah, that was pretty funny. Anyway, so they're on a Z-Pack.
every time I look at the camera, I don't look at the actual camera part. I look at myself.
You do?
Yeah.
This one.
We, which one is it? We actually have them going on a Z-Pack, and they're being tested for whooping cough, find out if they have it. And I don't know about you guys, but that was pretty freaking funny. It sounded like Darth Vader coming out of their nose. Yeah, anyway. Do that again?
Not going down yet.
You'll be able to do it again. Okay, close it. Ready? Ready?
I can finish that.
1, go. Did you do it? So funny.
How goes my head?